We'll guide you through how to change the passcode on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So the passcode on your iPhone is going to be used for different things across your iPhone, not just for unlocking it, but for doing things like opening up the wallet, amongst other things as well. So perhaps already somebody else knows it and so you want to go and change it, or you just want to go and change it for another reason, as perhaps you want it to be something a bit more complicated. So we'll guide you through this step by step. Make sure there's 4 videos so you know what you need to do. So to go and get started with this, you need to go and open up the settings app on your iPhone. As you can see, here it is. So your iPhone does need to go and be unlocked. Open it up. In settings, you need to go and scroll down. Go and find the option for Face ID and passcode. And if you're finding this option's missing, you'll need to go into the screen time settings, go into the content and privacy restrictions, and make sure you allow Face ID and passcode to be changed. Then this will go and appear here. If you can't go and remember the passcode for screen time, you can change it for yourself. Then what you can do is go and tap on Face ID and passcode like so. What you need to do is go and enter in your current passcode like this. So then that'll go and unlock it. So at the top, we've got Face ID. You may have that set up, you may not. Let's not worry about that. What you can then do is go down and you can go and find the option for change passcode. So what we can then do is go and tap there. Once again, enter in your current passcode. Now we can go and start changing it to a new one. You can go and press the options button and we'll see these different options you can have. I like having a 4-digit one, so I'll select that. Then what you can do is you can go and enter in your new one. It says it's easy, but I'm going to use it anyway. Then you can go and verify it, and that's it. Now it does say here for the next 72 hours, you can use your previous passcode to go and reset. But now when I go and lock my phone and I then go and swipe up, you'll go and see what asks for the passcode. I can then enter in my new one, and that's it. That's now used. For more iPhone guides, make sure you go and check out the channel.